Hi there, students. To thrash something out. Okay, to thrash means to beat with a stick or something like that again and again and again. So, for example, the father thrashed the child for stealing. Okay, the father gave the child a thrashing. Okay, you can also use it informally, meaning to beat in a game. So, I don't know, Manchester United thrashed Liverpool 6-0. Okay, so to beat rotundly, to beat in by a lot of points. Okay, yeah, the tennis player thrashed her opposition. Okay, but to thrash out means to negotiate a deal. Yeah, to horse trade until both parties are more or less satisfied. So, for example, to thrash out an agreement. Yeah, it's almost like to fight it out, but to thrash out, there's no fighting. Yeah, to thrash out a solution to a problem, to thrash out something with a supplier. Okay, so is to argue about the price and the conditions or whatever to resolve a problem. Okay, so they had a problem with their neighbour, but finally they managed to thrash it out. They thrashed out a solution. Okay, so notice thrash it out. So it's a separable phrasal verb, and I think to thrash out is really quite informal. Yeah, it's not something you should probably write in one of your essays. Okay, notice as well, to thrash is a regular verb. Yeah. Okay, so when you thrash something out, there are arguments between the two people or the two parties or more until a solution or an agreement is reached. Yeah. I know you're both not very happy about this, so you're going to have to thrash it out and find a solution. Yeah? Okay, like I said, it's almost like beating each other until both parties are happy. Okay? To thrash something out. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To thrash something out with somebody.